नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, previous period we have studied congruence of triangles, lesson number 30. Today we have to study this lesson number 14, compound interest. In 7th standard we have studied simple interest, formula for simple interest. Simple interest is equal to P into N into R divided by 100. For this simple interest, we use letter I. In 7th standard, we have studied this formula for finding simple interest. Here, today's lesson is compound interest. What is the difference between simple interest and compound interest? Here we consider one example. Here principal is 1000 rupees 1000. You know P for principal and number of years, rate of interest, I simple interest, and here N is number of years. Here is 1. Rate of interest is 10. Then find simple interest. I is equal to 1000 multiplied by number of years 1 into 10. Rate of interest divided by 100. Here 0 cancel. Here 0 cancel. Here remain 100. Interest is rupees 100. Interest means vyas. But borrowed, if you amount borrowed from a bank, borrowed fails to pay principal and interest to the bank, then bank consider this principal and interest in this way. P is equal to, in second year, this is first year, in second year if borrower fails to pay principal and interest to the bank, then bank consider this principal 1000 and this rupees 100, in total it becomes 1100. This is principal for second year, because borrower fails to pay this amount principal and interest. So second year interest is, here principal becomes 1100 multiplied by 1 year, rate of interest is same, divided by 100. 0 cancel. Here rupees 110. Again second year borrower fails to repay this principal and interest, then bank consider in third year principal becomes 1100 plus this 110, it becomes 1210. Means third year principal is 1210. Again use this formula. Here interest for third year, I is equal to same formula, P into N into R divided by 100. Here principal for third year is 1210. 1 year rate of interest is same, divided by 100. Here again same, 0 cancel. Here this is interest 100 21 for third year. The charge, the interest is charged by this method is called compound interest. The interest is charged by this method is called compound interest. Means in this method, the borrower fails to repay amount, principal and amount, then bank consider these two amount, principal plus interest. For second year, amount principal becomes 1,100. In the same way, borrower fails to repay interest and principal, then bank consider this as a principal for third year. Principal for third year is 1,210. Same. This is third year interest 121. Then total interest is equal to here 100 plus 110 plus 121, and total interest is here 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Here total rate of your total compound interest is 331. हे बघितलं मला आता मराठीमध्ये आहे सिंपल इंटरेस्ट सरळ व्याज काढायचा फॉर्म्युला आहे. पण त्या ग्राहकाने जर पैसे नाही भरले बँकेमध्ये तर बँक काय करते, ते इंटरेस्ट, ते व्याज त्या मुद्दलामध्ये मिळवलं जातं. दुसऱ्या वर्षामध्ये ते प्रिन्सिपल होतं म्हणजेच मुद्दल होतं. याप्रमाणे इथे सुद्धा नाही भरलं, पुन्हा ते व्याज ऍड केलं, मिळवलं मुद्दलामध्ये, तेच झालं पुढच्या वर्षासाठी प्रिन्सिपल म्हणजे मुद्दल, या पद्धतीने काढलं. हे 3 वर्षाचं एकूण कंपाऊंड इंटरेस्ट 331. आता हे एवढं मोठं करण्यापेक्षा एक छोटा जर फॉर्म्युला वापरला, आपण सूत्र वापरलं तर एवढं करायची आपल्याला गरज नाही. त्यासाठी कंपाऊंड इंटरेस्ट अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू formula for compound interest, amount is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 raised to n. By using this formula, you get amount for compound interest is equal to, here amount is same 1000 into bracket 1 divided by rate, amounts rate same 10 divided by 100. Here 3 years, 1, 2, 3 years. Here 0 cancel, is equal to 1000 into bracket. Here remain 1 plus 1 upon 10. 1 plus 1 upon 10. Addition, you are studying in 5th standard. Addition, product of denominator 10, cross multiplication 10 plus 1 is equal to 11 upon 10. So here solving this bracket, answer is 11 upon 10 bracket cube is equal to 1000 multiplied by 3 times. Cube means 3 times. 0, 0, second 0. 0 cancel. Here amount is rupees, cube of 11 is 1331. Here this is amount, but we have to find compound interest. Compound interest, simple formula. Here compound interest I is equal to A minus P. A is amount 1331 minus principal is 1000. Here compound interest is rupees 21. Means by using this formula you will get total interest 331. Here also by using this formula for finding compound interest amount, they will get same 331. This is compound interest. Means in this method, in this compound interest, interest is added in principle. Interest is added in this principle. In Marathi compound interest चक्रवाढ व्याज हे चक्र चालू असतं. प्रत्येक वेळेला व्याज हे मुद्दलात मिळवलं जातं, व्याज मुद्दलात मिळवलं जातं आणि त्याच्यावर पुन्हा व्याज आकारणी केली जाते. याला मराठीमध्ये म्हणतात चक्रवाढ व्याज. कंपाऊंड चक्र चालायला. Interest is added in principle. Interest is added in every year. Interest is added in principle. हे चक्रच आहे म्हणून याला म्हणतात चक्रवाढ व्याज. मराठीमध्ये इंग्लिशमध्ये कंपाऊंड इंटरेस्ट. मीन्स here you get formula for compound interest. Remember this important formula. In this method, first find amount P into bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 raised to n. Raised to n. P means principal, rate of interest, number of years. For finding, first find amount. Then compound interest is equal to A minus P. A minus P, you will get compound interest. Okay. By using this formula, we have to solve problem practice set 14.1. Practice set 14.1. Very simple practice set. By using these two formulae, you will get amount and compound interest. So here we consider first example. P is equal to, you are given P is equal to 2000 rupees, 2000. Then N is equal to 2 years and R is equal to 5. R is equal to 5. Here this value of P, this value of R, this value of N. Okay. Here we have to substitute this value in this formula. A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 raised to N. Okay. Here value of P is 2000 into bracket 1 plus value of R is 5 raised to, value of N is 2, right here 2 is equal to 2000 into bracket. Here simplify this bracket. 5 and the 5, 5 to the 10, 0. Here 1 upon 1 plus, here remain 1 upon 20. Same addition. Product of denominator 20. Here 20 plus 1 into 1 is equal to 21 upon 20. So after solving this bracket, you get 21 upon 20. Bracket square. Okay. Next step. Next step is A is equal to, here 2000 multiply by 21 divided by 20 into 21 divided by 20. Here square means 2 times. Okay. Here 0 cancel, here 0 cancel. 2 into 2, 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20 is equal to 5 multiplied by square of 21 is 441. 441. Therefore, amount A is equal to 5 1 जा 5, 5 4 जा 20, carry to 5 4 जा 20 plus 2, 22. Here amount is 2205. Then we have 5 compound interest. Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Amount is 2205 minus 2000 is equal to compound interest is rupees 205. In this way, by using this formula, you will get amount, and compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. By using these two formulae, you will get amount and compound interest. This is very simple practice set. हे मुलांच्या लक्षात आलं असेल. अतिशय सोपा आहे हा फॉर्म्युला वापरायचा. दिलेल्या किमती आहेत त्या ठेवायच्या, कॅल्क्युलेशन करायचं, यू विल गेट आन्सर अमाउंट अँड कंपाऊंड इंटरेस्ट. तर विद्यार्थ्यांनी हा व्हिडिओ एकदा दोनदा तीनदा पहा आणि अगदी सिंपल आहे, अगदी साध्या सोप्या पद्धतीने तुम्हाला मी सोडून दिलेला आहे. व्हिडिओ एकदा दोनदा पहा. कुठे काही अडचण आली तर लगेच तुम्ही फोन करून विचारा. पण हा प्रॅक्टिस सेट 14.1 हा सोडवला पाहिजे. काही अडचण आली तरी तुम्हाला फोन करून विचारा, मी तुम्हाला सविस्तर त्याचे मार्गदर्शन करेन. पण होमवर्क मुलांना नियमित करायचं. आता कोरोनामध्ये पुन्हा शाळा एकदा बंद झालेली आहे तरी सुद्धा तुम्ही घाबरून जायचं काही कारण नाही. तर जो इथं व्हिडिओमध्ये दिला जातो तो अभ्यासक्रम अतिशय चांगल्या प्रकारे शांतपणे घरी गेल्यानंतर एकदा दोनदा तीनदा पहा, व्यवस्थित तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. ठीक आहे, थांबूया आपण पुढच्या तासाला. पुढचा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला मी देईन. नियमित अभ्यास करा, दुर्लक्ष करू नका, गर्दीच्या ठिकाणी जाऊ नका, सुरक्षित राहा. ओके, थँक्यू.